Welcome to Smart Start Tutorials. Today we're diving into the exciting world of mobile app development, focusing on Android, iOS, and Flutter. Android development is a popular choice among developers worldwide. For building mobile apps, developers often use Java or Kotlin. These programming languages allow them to create powerful and flexible applications that can run smoothly on various devices. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment, providing a wide range of tools and resources. It offers features like code editing, debugging, and performance tooling, which streamline the development process and help developers build high-quality apps efficiently. iOS development is essential for creating apps for Apple's ecosystem. Using Swift or Objective-C, developers build high-performance applications. Xcode is the official IDE for iOS development, offering a robust set of tools and simulators. Flutter is a revolutionary framework for building cross-platform apps with a single code base. It allows developers to write code once and deploy it across multiple platforms, saving time and effort. Developed by Google, Flutter uses the Dart language and provides a rich set of pre-designed widgets. These widgets are highly customizable, enabling developers to create unique and engaging user interfaces. This makes it easy to create visually appealing apps for both Android and iOS. With Flutter, developers can achieve high performance and smooth animations, ensuring a seamless user experience across different devices. Whether you're developing for Android, iOS, or using Flutter for cross-platform apps, the journey can be both challenging and rewarding. Each platform has its unique set of tools and frameworks that can help you create amazing applications. Mastering these technologies opens up endless possibilities in mobile app development. From creating simple utility apps to complex, feature-rich applications, the skills you gain can transform your ideas into reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Start Tutorials for more insightful content. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you on your development journey. Your support helps us bring you the best content possible.